In this presentation, we will discuss why learn payroll as it relates to QuickBooks. For more accounting information and accounting courses, visit our website at accountinginstruction.info. One of the main reasons to learn payroll as it relates to a computer software such as QuickBooks is because that is the way that payroll will be processed most of the time these days. We can learn the payroll concepts, and it's important to learn payroll concepts, but in practice, of course, they will be processed using some type of computer software. Reason being is because the payroll laws are getting very complex. So even if we only have a few people involved in terms of payroll, it's still fairly complex to process the payroll, and we almost have to have some support with that. And that support is typically going to come from some type of software and or outside professional help. So therefore, even if we are going to outsource payroll to payroll companies such as ADP or Paychex, or pay for our full service within QuickBooks to help us to process the payroll, we can't really get around needing to know and understand some components of payroll. Because even if we outsource it to ADP or Paychex, we pay for full service payroll within QuickBooks, we're still going to have to deal with questions and problems. If we have ADP and Paychex, we're going to have to somehow get it into our bookkeeping system so that we can report it on tax returns and have the information to answer employee questions and make sure that our income statement is properly reported in terms of the payroll expense on that side of things. It's just a really big part of the company, even if we only have a few people involved. And therefore, we need to know something about the theory as well as something about the practice. And the practice is going to involve some type of software such as QuickBooks. As we learn the payroll system within the QuickBooks setting, we'll also see the way the QuickBooks process or the payroll process will generally flow as we generate payroll. So we'll see that we're going to generate the paychecks, we're going to pay the liabilities, we're going to process the payroll, and that'll give us a better understanding from a theory standpoint on how in practice it is done, whether it's done by us or someone outside of us. And we can therefore, if it is done by someone other than us within QuickBooks, we can better understand how to see that data, how to put that data into the system, how to analyze that data and answer questions related to payroll. If we better understand the process that payroll goes through, best way to do that is to actually enter payroll and see what it looks like as we are entering payroll into a system such as QuickBooks. For more accounting information and accounting courses, visit our website at accountinginstruction.info.